Welcome to Solterra Escape. Behind me is a 15-bedroom, 11 full bathroom, more than 7,000 square feet, which is the largest floor plan that they make in Solterra Resort. This is perfect if you're doing a getaway with large groups, like family reunions, or maybe sports teams, maybe just friends, or any other purpose where you want to be together but still have your own space. So let's go inside and check it out. So when you come into the living area, you have this great expansive space and a dining table behind me that seats up to 18 people. So it's perfect for entertaining and gathering with the entire family. So right when you come in the front door, you have 2 full bedrooms right here, and then you also have another bedroom in the back, one over that way, and then one over there. So as you can see, they're all spread out with a lot of space in between. And on the second floor, just up the stairs, there's 10 additional bedrooms and 6 additional full bathrooms. Downstairs, we start with the London room, which is an ensuite primary bedroom. And then we have the Paris, which is another primary ensuite bedroom. And then we have the Lion King room, the beach room, the Greece room, and last but not least for the first floor is the game room / movie theater, where we have Pac-Man, we have Ninja Turtles, we also have X-Men and the Terminator. Of course, Chad's back there playing basketball. Before we take you outside, we're gonna take you upstairs and show you the rest of the bedrooms, and then we'll show you the beautiful outside at the end of the video. As soon as you get up to the second floor, you have this beautiful large game room where you could play poker with all your friends here. I really love this deer on the wall. It's super cool and swanky. And over here we have a shuffleboard. And it feels like you're kind of going through the forest here. You're kind of transported to a different land. And last but not least, over here we have the bar where you can serve your friends. And when you're ready, you can even play a game of pool. Nice break. On the second floor, we have the Moroccan room. We have the Venice room, the Japan room, the superheroes theme room, the Harry Potter theme room, the Minions room, the Frozen room, the Cars room, the Donkey Kong bedroom, and the Lego playroom. Super cool. So we finally made it to the outside where you have this beautiful pool and expansive space for entertaining. You have the lake over here, which is beautiful, and it gives you a quiet and also a private feeling. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. We are experts in the area. We can give you more information on Solterra Escape and Solterra Resort. So contact us today, and we'll see you on the next one.